Okay, John, so Noah's mommy just bought these for Noah. Do you want to help me pick out something free for Noah?
Yes.
We'll go show me. Go pick something out. Let's go. What do you think? Oh, he went right to the snake. You like that snake?
Yeah.
Can you say this is for Noah?
That's for Noah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Do you think he'll like it?
Yes.
What color is it?
Black,
Black and what else?
red.
Black and red.
Yeah, this is black and red.
So it's like the
Black.
it's black and red like the wheels.
It's like the Hellcat red.
Yeah. Can you say thank you to Noah?
Thank you, Noah.
You gotta look at the camera. Say thank you and wave.
Thank you.
Say thank you, Noah. Wave.
Thank you, Noah.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Have a good night.
Thank you guys very much. Hope you like it. Sure he'll enjoy it.
Whoa.
My lights fell apart last night. I put all these LED lights up and they literally just fell apart. But God bless you and the family. We'll get these shipped out to you soon. Say God bless.
God bless.
Bye, guys.